Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here back again with my video on words of wisdom. And as every one of you has guessed today, our character today is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the timeless legend. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born on 7th July 1981, 7th July, that is today, is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in limited overs formats from 2007 to 2017 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014. Under his captaincy, India won the inaugural 2007 ICC World 20, the 2010 and 2016 Asia Cups, the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, and the 2013 ICC Champions Trophy. Here is a wonderful picture of Captain Cool. This is a wonderful picture of our Captain Cool holding all the great trophies that he won for our country and brought laurels to our country, made each and every Indian citizen proud. Here's a picture of the whole team after winning the 2007 World Cup T20 Championship. A right-handed middle order batsman and wicket-keeper, Dhoni is one of the highest run scorers in one-day internationals, that is the ODIs, with more than 10,000 runs scored and is considered an effective finisher in limited overs formats. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest wicket-keeper, batsmen and captains in the history of the game. He was also the first wicket-keeper to effect 100 stumpings in ODI cricket. Dhoni was born in Ranchi, Bihar, now known as Jharkhand, and he hails from a Hindu Rajput family. His paternal village, Lauli, is in the Lamgara block of the Almora district of Uttarakhand. Dhoni's parents moved from Uttarakhand to Ranchi, where his father Pan Singh worked in junior management positions in Mekon. Dhoni has a sister, Jayanti Gupta, and a brother, Narendra Singh Dhoni. Dhoni is a fan of Adam Gilchrist and his childhood idols were cricket teammates Sachin Tendulkar, Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan and singer Lata Mangeshkar. Dhoni studied at DAV Jawahar Vidya Mandir, Shamli, Ranchi, Jharkhand, where he initially excelled in badminton and football and was selected at district and club levels in these sports. Dhoni was a goalkeeper for his football team and was sent to play cricket for a local cricket club by his football coach. Though he had not played cricket, Dhoni impressed with his wicket-keeping skills and became the regular wicket-keeper at the Commando Cricket Club, that is from 1995 to 1998. Based on his performance at club cricket, he was picked for the 1997-98 season Vinu Mankar Trophy Under-16 Championship and he performed well. Dhoni focused on cricket after his 10th standard, and this is the school where he studied. This is DAV Jawahar Vidya Mandir in Shamli, Ranchi. Some pictures of his childhood. We can see him, and it is also said that both Rajnikant and Dhoni, they both were ticket collectors at one time in their lives, and now they both are the highest paid celebrities. It is also said that from being ticket collector to being honored by Padma Bhushan, this is a great journey. Mahendra Singh Dhoni defined his success with passion and hard work. Respect for this man. A great salute. He was a travelling ticket examiner, that is TTE, at Kharagpur railway station from 2001 to 2003 under South Eastern Railway in Midnapore, a district in West Bengal. His colleagues remember him as a very honest, straightforward employee of the Indian Railways. But Dhoni also had a mischievous side to his personality. Once, while staying at railway quarters, Dhoni and a couple of his friends covered themselves in white bed sheets and walked around in the complex late in the night. The night guards were fooled into believing that there were ghosts moving around in the complex. The story made big news on the next day. Dhoni was named the captain of Indian squad for the inaugural ICC World 2020 held in South Africa in September 2007. India were crowned champions as Dhoni led the team to victory against Pakistan in a thrilling contest. He went on to become the ODI captain of the Indian team for the 7-match ODI series against Australia in September 2007. He made his debut as full-time test captain of India during the 4th and final test against Australia at Nagpur in November 2008, replacing Anil Kumble, who was injured in the 3rd test and who then announced his retirement. Dhoni was vice captain in this series up to that point. India eventually won that test, thus clinching the series 2-0 and regained the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Dhoni had previously captained India on a stand-in basis against South Africa and Australia in 2008 and 2009 respectively. This is the Border Gavaskar Trophy which he won, and it is a proud moment for every citizen. It was under his captaincy that India climbed to number 1 in the ICC Test rankings in December 2009. After that, India had clean sweep victories against Bangladesh and Australia. We can see India's landmark feats under MS Dhoni's captaincy. He won for us the ICC T20 World Cup in 2007. We were the number 1 test team in ICC rankings in 2009. ICC ODI World Cup, which was a great event. After 28 years, we won the World Cup in 2011. And yes, ICC Champions Trophy in 2013. And he's known for making the records, breaking records, captains with most international sixes, and we have a list here with Dhoni, MS Dhoni on the top. Let us see MS Dhoni's records as a captain. He captained most number of international matches, most wins for India in each format, only captain to win all 3 ICC trophies, most sixes by a captain in international cricket, most wins for any captain in T20s. This is really great. MS Dhoni's achievements as a captain. In 2007, we won the World T20. 2008, it was the CB Series. 2009, Test Championship Maize. 2010, Asia Cup. 2010 again, he got the IPL trophy for his team. 2010 again, Champions League T20. 2011, World Cup for us. That was a great event which each Indian watched. They all left everything, all their works aside, to watch this great event, and it really brought goosebumps to each one watching the whole team play under the captainship of MS Dhoni and the way he finished the match and brought the cup for us. 2011, again, he won the IPL trophy. 2013, Champions Trophy. 2014, Champions League T20. 2016, Asia Cup. And 2018, IPL trophy. Thank you so much, MS Dhoni, for everything. After winning the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup final against Sri Lanka on 2nd April 2011 with his match-winning knock of unbeaten 91, Tendulkar heaped praises on Dhoni, claiming him to be the best captain he has played under. Tendulkar mentioned that it was Dhoni's calm influence that was rubbing off on all his teammates and described Dhoni's handling of pressure as incredible. He also says, Dhoni is the best captain I have played under. These are the words that Sachin Tendulkar has said for Dhoni, and it is something really very great. Dhoni says, when we were growing up, we used to watch Sachin. He was like God to all of us. He had that aura around him. These were the words MS Dhoni said for Sachin. And after a few years, Sachin Tendulkar got to say, Dhoni, the best captain I have played under. This is a great reward for both of them. Let us see what the renowned and best cricketers of our country have got to say about Dhoni. Kapil Dev says, Dhoni is my hero. We talk a lot about Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, but this boy has as much as talent as anyone in the game. Sunil Gavaskar says, when I die, the last thing I want to see is the six that Dhoni hit in the 2011 World Cup final. This is such a great thing. Even he says, the last breath of mine, I would want to see that, because that really brought back World Cup to our country after 28 years and fulfilled the dreams of so many cricketers and citizens of our country. Sachin says, I played under many captains, but Dhoni is the one who fulfilled my dream of winning World Cup. This is really great and honorable for Dhoni also, that these best cricketers, senior cricketers have got to say for him. And thank you, MS Dhoni, for being so very good. Dhoni is a right-handed batsman and wicket-keeper. Initially, Dhoni appeared as a lower order attacking batsman, but he gradually changed his playing style to deal with high pressure scenarios and his growing responsibility as a captain. He is a powerful hitter of the ball and is one of the fastest men in running between the wickets. He made use of the helicopter shot technique taught to him by fellow player and childhood friend Santosh Lal. His wicket-keeping skill is widely praised by cricket experts. He has a world record for the highest number of stumpings by any wicket-keeper. He was the main wicket-keeper in the team, but he occasionally bowled as a medium-fast bowler. We all know this movie, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, The Man You Know, The Journey You Don't, was made, and Sushant Singh Rajput played the role of MS Dhoni. The Untold Story is a 2016 Indian Hindi language biographical sports drama film written and directed by Neeraj Pandey. It is based on the life of the former Test, ODI and T20 captain of India, that is the Indian national cricket team, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The film stars were the late Sushant Singh Rajput, who played the role of Dhoni, along with Disha Patani, Kiara Advani and Anupam Kher. Dhoni says, "You learn a lot more when you are going through a rough period compared to the good times when everything goes your way." He also says, "Without any motion or movement, there is no life." He says, "If you don't really have a dream, you can't really push yourself. You don't really know what the target is. So you need to have a dream, work on it, come out of your comfort zones and achieve something near about what he has achieved." He also says, "Never let success get to your head and never let failure get to your heart." That means if you become successful, never let pride change you. And if any day you fail at something, never take it to heart. There's always next time. Failures are the first step to success. So start again. And we all know he is such a successful person and he has achieved so much for himself and for the country, brought laurels to our country, made every citizen proud. But he is so very simple and down to earth. He also says youngsters are so result oriented nowadays that we actually forget about the process. The process is more important than the results. And if you take care of the process, you will get the results. So without thinking about the results, keep working hard, keep processing. The more you work hard, the more you move towards success. He says, "You don't play for the crowd, you play for the country." And he did play and prove that he played for the country.
Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd.
This is his famous helicopter shot. A very happy birthday to our Captain Cool, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I hope you all like the video and let us quickly end the video with the moment that he gave to every Indian in 2011. Enjoy and bye-bye.
Absolutely magnificent. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike in the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Well, he's demolished it, he really has. 91 from 79 deliveries. MS Dhoni, 8 fours, 2 sixes. Look at the scenes here, great joy, and the one king.
Absolutely magnificent.